Hello traders, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Etiforex, the Major. I want to show you guys how to grow a very small account, no matter the account size. Okay, how to grow a very small account. Though this trade I wanted to enter pretty early at this point, but it was too late for me. This entry is really bad for me. Okay, and this would have been my entry somewhere here down here, okay, on the lower time frame, on the 5 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, my entry would have been here, somewhere here, okay, because that was my target, somewhere around this level. But I can see where we made our entry because of how it was moving really pretty fast. You can see this movement here, how fast it was. So this is just $11 account. You can see we are in about $5 to $6 now in profits. Okay, so I want to show you guys that you can equally with our signals. With our signals, you can make good profits. You must not have a very big amount of money. Okay, a small account size shouldn't be a showstopper. It shouldn't be a showstopper, right? Because if you don't know what you're doing, even if you are using $10,000 accounts, you can still blow it in a day. Okay, you may still blow it in one day. So it all depends on you, if you know what you're doing. So if you don't know what you're doing, trust me, it's as good as doing nothing. Is having a $10,000 account can never give you consistent profit. The main thing is you need to have good knowledge. Okay, this skill, you need to know how to trade, how to make good entries, okay, and how to manage your account properly. Do you understand? That's the only way you can actually stay profitable and consistent in this market. Okay, someone can use like this $10 account. Now I can move this account to $100. If I can move this account from $10 to $100, that means I can equally make $1,000 with this same account. Do you understand? So it's not about how much you have, it's how good you are. Okay, it's all about how good you are. Okay, so I've been in this system, I've been in this business, I've been working, I've been trading for about 5 to 6 years now. Sorry, I've been trading for like 5 to 6 years now, and trust me guys, I know what I'm doing. When I enter a trade, I know where it's heading, I know what I'm doing. And if you're in my academy, you should know same. You should understand how the market works as well. Okay, because whatever I know, whatever I have, I give it to my students, everything 100%. Okay, so we're about to make good profits here. It's running. You can see it has broken this level here on the 5 minutes time frame. It has broken this level here, so we are expecting more push to the upside, and this should be our first target here. So since I'm using a very small account size, I might not take my profits here. I might want to wait for this level to be broken for me to take good profits. Okay, because I'm targeting really far from here. My target, you can see this supposed to be TP1, okay, which I've given my people on the VIP, and our TP2 is somewhere here, up here around this point. Let me see where our TP2 gonna be. Yeah, our TP is somewhere here. TP2 is somewhere there. Okay, it's pretty far. So if it moves as expected, okay, if it moves as predicted, trust me, we make good profits with this trade. Okay, so stay tuned and watch and see how it's done. I'll also make sure you watch this video to the very end, because after everything I'll still show you guys how much we've made so far in this market from this very trade, okay, on this very account. Do you understand? So yeah, that'll be all for now guys. So if you're new on our channel, you want to be seeing some good contents, I'll quickly show you guys how my reasons for this trade. Okay, so if you're new on our channel and you haven't subscribed, kindly do that now, and comment and share this video with friends. Comment, like, and share this video with friends, and also check out the description area of this video to join our free Telegram channel, our Twitter, IG handle, and all those platforms, so as to be updated wherever we have anything there, any contents or anything giveaway or anything that is coming up. Okay, so make sure to join this platform guys. Thanks. So my reason for this trade would be, if you check on the 4 hours time frame, you can see this is a resistance that was broken. This resistance got broken. Okay, this line got broken and price push up, and broke this other level as well. You can see that, right? Broke that level as well. So we are act. So I had to wait for price to come back to this level that was broken, this point that was broken, for a retest. After a retest, I'll be looking for some bullish pressures, like what happened here, the first candlestick. That's why I told you I would have opened my position here. You see this first candlestick, the first 30 minutes candlestick, or even the 15 minutes candlestick. The first 15 minutes candlestick would have been our entry. Do you understand? Somewhere here. But I wasn't online when it happened, so that's why I opened at around this level here. Okay, so we still make good profit. We're gonna make good profit with this trade. Trust me, I'm not afraid of this trade, right? Yeah, it's gonna move and give us good profits, guys. It's gonna move and give us good profits. And so yeah, okay, so those are the things you need to look out. And this is an uptrend. Again, this is an uptrend on the lower time, on the 15 minutes time. You can see this is an uptrend, right? You can see the trend clearly. Very nice here. So this is an uptrend here on the 15 minutes time frame, guys. Yeah, that's an uptrend, guys. Okay, so we are still expecting price to move up to give us good profit at this point. Our TP1 here, at least hit our TP1 right there, guys. So I have nothing to be worried about. I'll just close this MT5 and come back again to see what happens. It might blow our accounts, but then I'm so sure it has started moving. It's not coming back to this point again, unless it passes this other line. That's when it's going to blow the account. But if somewhere here it's not blowing the account, okay. So I'm ready to risk this $10 now to see if we can flip this account to a reasonable amount, right? So I'm willing to give it to the market. That's why I'm not afraid whether it comes against me or not. So this is the thing. Always know how much you're willing to give to the market. It helps you, right? Even if it goes against you, it doesn't affect you. It doesn't affect your psychology, okay? So yeah, that's it, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's gonna push up and give us good profits, guys. Fear not, man. The major is right here. For those asking for auto trading robot, our robot is out and it's killing the market over 90% accuracy. Okay, winning rate is over 90%, and trust me, it kills the market perfectly. It rates the B1000, B500, crash 1000, crash 500 perfectly, and other indices. Okay, trust me, guys, this is it. This is what you guys be waiting for. This is what we've been preparing all this while. It's the best out there. And look at our trade here. We are at $19. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna make more, guys, from $11 to $30. That's it. That's how it's done. This is how it's done at Major Trading Academy, guys. Yeah, don't forget, chat me up for those that are looking for a robot. Our robot is ready. Bye bye. I love you guys. Stay tuned for more.